my power pole down. Stuck in the mud in the bottom.
Hi guys, Rhett McHale from the Bass College. We're down here today on 3 Mile Pond, right outside Augusta. The weatherman's lied to me again. We just got here, it's 46 degrees, the water's 58. It's I think it's June 8th. Just crazy. It's all fogged in right now, so we're just gonna go along the shore. I'm along with Ashton Gorley, and we're just gonna see if we can find you some fish.
Bottom of the lake, sitting so still in the wind and the waves. Could even be a hurricane. I got my power pole down. I'm gonna make another dead on pinpoint cast. Catch myself a big old bass and another one after that. Oh yeah, I got my power pole down. 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 I got my power pole down. 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 I got my power pole down. Got my power pole down. Stuck in the mud in the bottom of the lake, sitting so still in the wind and the waves. Could even be a hurricane. I got my power pole down. I'm gonna make another dead on pinpoint cast. Catch myself a big old bass and another one after that. Oh yeah, I got my power pole down. I'm gonna make another dead on pinpoint cast. Catch myself a big old bass and another one after that. Oh yeah, I got my power pole down. Stuck in the mud in the bottom of the lake, sitting so still in the wind and the waves. Could even be a hurricane. I got my power pole down. I'm gonna make another dead on pinpoint cast. Catch myself a big old bass and another one after that. Oh yeah, I got my power pole down. Stuck in the mud in the bottom of the lake, sitting so still in the wind and the waves. Could even be a hurricane.
Okay, we're down here on 3 Mile. There's a stream running in here. We may check the stream a little ways down just to see. Like to see if anything's gone down in here and bedded. Really surprised to see the water still in the 50s. Hey guys, hooked up on my first fish of the day.
Real nice fish.
Not a bad fish at all. 2.5. Anyways.
Beautiful fish.
Yeah, we just picked up another one. Not a big fish, but on the dirty jig. Down the other end of the lake right now. We're going up into the stream. The wind's coming up. We're going to have some thunder showers, so I'm not too sure how much longer we're going to be able to stay out here. A little pound fish. Okay guys, hooked up to a big fish. Dirty jig. Big fish. Bad back. Look at that, guys. Now he wanted. This is a nice 3 Mile Pond. Largemouth right here. up on another big fish. There we go. Another 3.5 probably on the dirty jig. Now look at this tail. That's a bedding fish. All bloodied up. There we go. Let's release it and see if we can find another one. Well, the man says no wind and sunny.
Yeah.
I'd say the weatherman's full of it again. Nice fish. There you go, on the dirty jig. It's a good 3-pound fish. Came out here today thinking we're going to be throwing some top water and all kinds of things, but we're finding the fish are still on the beds. The water's only 57 in some places, and they're bedding up hard. So we're going to go down along pitchy shores. I do take a rattle trap and I throw it out into deeper water. And we have caught one fish, but it was a small fish. But I'm going to keep trying. Yeah, I'm hooked up on a rattle trap. Got a small one. Yeah, small fish. Trying to cover some water right now because it's really gotten slow. Storms coming in. Just a little fish. Throwing the rattle trap. Just bumping it into the rocks along the shore and picking up a couple fish off it. Hey guys, hooked up on a rattle trap. What do we got here? A small bass. Offshore. Just a little guy. Hooked up on a rattle trap. deep. Looks like a decent fish. Oh, let me get the net. Decent. Well, this fish was out a little deeper. Got this one out on a black and gold rattle trap, KVD, 1/2 ounce fluorocarbon line. We'll go see if we can get some more for you. Hi everyone, we're going to get out of here. The rain is going to rain any minute. The thunder showers all around us. Warnings are coming up, so I'd rather get off the lake right now than fight and try to get off it when lightning's all around me. We did catch some fish today, had a good time. We're cutting it a little bit short, but that's okay. This is the 5th lake I've got to show you here in the state of Maine. We have great fisheries, and you saw some nice fish today that were caught. Some fish are still on beds, some fish are coming off, so I think within the next few weeks we're really going to have a good time. I'm going to hit Messalonskee, I'm going to hit China, I'm going to hit Cobussy, I'm going to hit a few other lakes here this summer and let everyone see what it's like to fish here in the state of Maine. So I'm getting out of here, and until the next time, I'll see everyone out on the water.